Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Here we are on the close as I'm recording this. The market up 1%, little smidge over 1% as measured by the S&P 500. And strong day. And that's because we've got some big news coming out that has been anticipated by market participants. First thing is NVIDIA earnings. We had a great deal of liveliness within the IA space about a month or so ago, and I think that whatever NVIDIA's earnings are, there's that close. I think that whatever NVIDIA's earnings are could either re-spark some of that flame or could kind of cause people to lose interest in it for the time being. The next thing that we are going to be listening to, keeping an ear out for, is the Fed speakers at the Jackson Hole upcoming meeting. Right now, according to the CME Fed funds contract, traders expect with an 88.5% chance of the Fed not changing interest rates at their September 20th meeting, leaving an 11.5% chance of raising them 25 basis points. Things can change, and the rest of this week may see some of those changes take place. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, TradeSmart.